The era of cheap capital for consumer software is over. Global investment is currently executing a historic reallocation into physical infrastructure. Driven by persistent macroeconomic pressures and geopolitical friction, trillions of dollars are pivoting directly into advanced manufacturing, high-performance compute facilities, and resilient power grids. Worldwide capital expenditure directed toward artificial intelligence is projected to reach $1 trillion. Breaking down that projection reveals where capital is flowing. Alliances are targeting high-bandwidth memory semiconductors, while sovereign wealth funds reallocate billions into global data centers. This expansion faces an immediate bottleneck in outdated transmission infrastructure. To prevent clean energy curtailment, residential buildings, electric vehicles, and industrial data centers are being integrated into decentralized everything-to-grid systems to act as active power suppliers. Competitive advantage is increasingly a function of physical capacity. Market leaders are prioritizing the acquisition of computing hardware and power grids to ensure their technology can actually operate at scale. Looking at this global heat map of capital flows, we see a transition toward domestic self-reliance. China is shifting focus toward advanced manufacturing. Concurrently, multinational corporations are actively deploying nearshoring strategies to bypass global shipping vulnerabilities and secure supply chains. As these physical and digital networks decentralize, protecting them against adversarial threats becomes a baseline operational requirement. Enterprises and national governments are aggressively increasing capital investments in commercial quantum computing. To safeguard against future decryption risks, financial institutions are mandating early migration to post-quantum cryptography standards. Systemic security and supply chain resilience have officially replaced pure cost efficiency as the primary architects of global trade. High interest rates make investors demand immediate financial returns, driving funding into AI agent infrastructure to automate workflows and lower costs. This expensive capital also accelerates funding for bottleneck solutions, scaling cellular fermentation and synthetic biology as viable alternatives to traditional agriculture. New processes for direct lithium extraction are replacing traditional evaporation ponds. By reducing water usage, these systems lower battery costs and support electric vehicle adoption. Technological innovation is currently constrained by capital costs. Only breakthroughs that offer immediate, measurable operational efficiency are receiving funding. From automated logistics to foundational research for ultra-low latency sixth-generation telecommunications, global technological progress is now entirely tethered to solving structural macroeconomic realities. The undisputed winners of this decade will be organizations that control physical infrastructure, secure their supply chains, and deliver measurable efficiency.